All right, you came to Amazon and got a little wood therapy. So what I'm doing here is I'm scribing so I can have positioning for some dominoes. They're basically tenons that you just use the Festool Domino Joinery DF 500 to punch your little holes, and then once we have those in, we'll do both sides and we'll put tenons in there, a little bit of glue, and this thing will be strong as you could possibly want it. Now, when you look at this project, it's not really requiring dominoes. But what I find the domino joiner phenomenal for is angled joints. Think about miters, picture frames and stuff like that, or big joints like cabinets or epoxy tables. These are really good for making those really important connections solid. So instead of buying those little bitty packs, I get the big 14 by 750 millimeter tenons, and I just cut them myself. I usually have a little stick there that keeps them from popping up, but I don't know, I was moving fast today, so I didn't even think about it. And this is a very horrible picture of what I'm talking about, the 14 by 750 boxes, and then we just glue it up, adding a little bit into the holes. I don't think it's even necessary. And then I just throw a little glue, roll it out, slap it together, and we're good to go. You're also probably wondering about the placement on my dominoes. So this little piece is going to be CNC'd out, and it's really just the middle that is going to remain. So that's why I don't have dominoes equally spaced on these boards, if you were curious. I look at the domino and I'm like, man, this is a fairly expensive tool, but it really opens you up to being able to do things that are just possible with a regular biscuit joiner. Which are expensive tools in themselves and a must-have if you are, a professional shop. And last, we're going to do a little clamping. Not terribly needed, but you'll get that little bit of glue squeeze out. And I literally left these in here for just, I don't know, a minute to get it tight. They're already in place, so it was just allowing the glue to take hold. That's it.